Mercedes-Benz W168. Today I'll show you step by step how to remove the steering wheel airbag. Let's start. First, turn the steering wheel to the right so we can access the bolt from the opposite side. Here you can see the access hole. You will need a long T27 Torx bit and some kind of extension tube for better leverage. In my case, I accidentally grabbed a T25 first. Insert the Torx bit into the hole, add the extension tube, and loosen the bolt. Once it's loose, do the same on the other side. Now turn the steering wheel to the left. Insert the Torx bit again and loosen the second bolt. After both bolts are removed, the airbag can be taken off easily. Before disconnecting the airbag connector, make sure the battery has been disconnected for at least 20 minutes to avoid accidental deployment. To disconnect the connector, I recommend using a small screwdriver carefully, just like I did. And that's it, the airbag is removed. Thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and check out my channel for more workshop videos.